guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, it's my daughter's birthday, Gracie. And it's her second birthday. Today, it's February 21, so yeah. I had invited my friends and also some of my family are here. My parents and my mom and dad and my cousin, my 3 cousins and their 2 daughters. And yeah, so I had friends invited, maybe like 7. Also, we're just about like 15 people here, including my family, my friends, and I will cook the food. And yeah, we'll had a small party like that for Gracie's birthday. So now I woke up this morning early, and also my cousin, they start the design last night and they will finish it this morning, and I had to cook. So yeah, so guys, let's get started. My mom, she helped me to cook pancit.
Hindi ito hinihingi, binibili. Wala akong pera. Wala ako dito, pagod na ako.
So guys, the pancit is almost done. Thanks, mother, for helping me how to cook it.
Welcome.
That looks yummy. I'm cooking chicken wings, guys, with my girl.
The birthday girl?
Birthday girl.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Gracie. She doesn't want me to put her down. She's in mommy's mood. Mommy's mood, you don't want, ano? What? You don't want to be put down? What? Oh.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll love to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give. You're just so
Hello, Gracey. Happy birthday, Gracey. For 2 years old. Wait, Juicy. Hi, Juicy.
Hello guys, welcome to Leia's family Philippines.
Philippines live with Leia.
I forgot her channel, but welcome to her vlog. And this is Gracie's birthday. Look at how cute.
Wala ka pa ganito. Ay, ilagay na natin para makakanta na happy birthday kasi Gary, oh.
Ikaw magsasalte tayo.
Oo, para
Okay, pwede kang ingin.
Bakit nag-mask ka pa dan?
But this is lechon. This is what I like. This is
Sa pansit bihon.
pancit bihon or bami.
Yeah.
And this is carbonara. Same thing as the second one. And this is fried chicken and carbonara.
Chicken wings.
Chicken wings. Nuclear. Ansa ni kanang ansa to nga chicken wings?
Yes, take it.
Sweet and spicy. Sweet and sour chicken. And Filipinos best, lumpia. And this is Gracie's cake. Where's Gracie?
Hi,
Gracie.
happy birthday, Gracie. Say hi to my vlog. Cookie.
This is Sylvanas from Sans Rival.
Yeah.
Mom, give me, Mom.
This is all the foods that we have. And this is pretty mama over here.
Thank you guys for coming.
Look how pretty the decoration is.
That's she did the decoration. Thank you to my cousin who did the design. Yes.
And our visitors.
You want to eat this?
And this is all my gift.
Sila mga lalaki.
Huh?
Did you have to stand?
This is a pretty one.
Sila ni
And this one too.
say hi. Ashley.
Okay, let's channel.
For a channel.
Uh,
Channel.
I don't know what's it called.
Can you stop and talk that?
Stop, Tommy.
Stop and you want to talk to Hey!
Goodbye.
What you got?
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Gracey.
Blow! Blow! Good job, Gracie.
Okay, sit na. Rosalie. She's my cousin. Where her dad and her father and my mom is siblings. Let's go, right? So you still study?
Yes, of course.
What grade?
Grade 11.
Grade 11. And by the way, guys, she lives in Bayawan. Bayawan, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. She arrived here yesterday. She helped me to decorate. And of course, Jelly. Oh, she's the one who decorates Gracey. They're siblings, by the way. Jelly, she worked for us, and that one, her sister, she's still studying. And thank you guys for helping me to do the design. Say thank you. Say thank you. She get excited. Oh, look at her face. Wow, that's so cute. Say thank you. Oh, so hug. What do you got, Bless?
Oh, that's sweet.
But it's not your birthday. Look at that.
That's your
Look at the tongue. Huh? Oh, yeah, she chose this? Yeah, that's a good job. Aww. Look at.
She's like,
We have candy. Oh, there.
Huh?
Yeah.
Doon yan? Matika. Gracey's ready to open her presents. Open it up. Yeah, only one.
I thought they had several people. Help Daddy. Here,
Help that.
here, pull. Here, pull it. Grab it. Pull it. There you go. Good job. Animals. Yeah, farm animals. Look, a rabbit.
Wow! I picked a good one. I picked that one. She likes animals.
Oh, what's that?
The pig will be ready to do a lechon in your next birthday, Gracey. The pig.
Yeah, you gotta feed that pig every day.
You feed.
What's that?
What's that? What's inside?
Wow.
Wow, that's cute. What's that? What color is that?
Put that in. Open it.
That's so cute.
Yeah, it's gonna crack it. It's gonna crack. Oh.
Oh my god. He just jumped. Oh my
It's on the
god.
ground, buddy, on the ground. Catch it.
You did a good job to pick the toys.
Who?
Jennifer, put it down here. Allah. This, oh.
Turn it off. Okay, look, it's coming
That
here.
thing's got life in its own.
Honey, go get it. Go get it.
It's better than a dog.
Honey, grab it.
Okay, so guys, that's the best gift Gracey got. Oh, look, put it down. It's exploring. It's,
Yeah. Watch it.
oh, she will chase.
She's locked.
She loves that toy, so that's the best toy. She's laughing.
What's the fish doing, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, that's more toy.
There you go.
Like a snake. Like a fish snake.
You want that toy?
I want this. I want one.
Oh, where is it now?
Where was it?
Hey, Gracey,
Oh,
look.
there's more? Oh, may ara pa di ay.
Oh, there's more.
Wow, look.
Oh, wow, cute bag. That's a cute backpack. How cute.
Bag, look, you'll see.
Yeah, thank you to Jennifer. You did a good job buying gift. Gracie loves it.
Oh, nice.
You ready to go to school?
Yeah.
No, you just put the fish in it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's a party.
Yeah. Good job.
I think I put it on the wrong way.
Huh?
Alright, Gracie, now you're ready to go to school.
Yeah, ready.
You're all set.
Oh, cute. Cute kayo. Gusto pa niya yan.
Another one, look.
Another one, baby.
Daddy help you, look. We'll play later. Look, let's open presents.
There's more.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
Oh my goodness.
That's from
look.
me. Sa'yo yan, te?
Wow.
Wow! There's a dog.
Batteries too, look.
Wow! Sa'yo yan, te? That's from Tita May. Open. Open. Cute. Yeah, she likes doll. No, look, me. She get excited.
Oh, look. Wait, you want to, where's the batteries go?
Push.
Oh.
Push lang siya.
Okay. Wow! Cute! Pinduton sa didi. Wow! It's nice, girl. She likes that one. She likes doll.
You need oil? Mahirap i-aim more dahil. Maybe you need oil.
Daddy tried. Really difficult. Anybody else? Oh, yeah.
It's wrong way.
No, I had it that way a minute ago. Alright, shine down there.
Where's your finger?
Spin it. Hit someone.
Honey, did you get the flashlight down there?
Look it.
Even hit someone.
This is really difficult. You want to try it? Look.
Wow, that's from Tita May. They're so cute. Oh, there's Gani, sada. Ay, giatay. Ay, Asa nang lawas at putol?
Fast dancing.
Wow! Yay! Uy, puta! Oh my goodness.
Nice music, Gracie.
Yeah, just set it on there.
Yeah, you see, yeah, that's fine. Kapul. Oh, she's not done. There's more. Gracie.
Okay, just a minute. Okay.
Okay, open this.
It's open.
Okay. Okay, I'll open.
All of our friends are already gone, and I'm gonna end this video. And thank you so much for watching. Say bye.
Oh, bye.
Gracie, say bye-bye. Bye. Happy birthday, my love. Are you happy, Gracie?
Don't make